Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 9450 Old Bohnhomme. Just did a repair out here in the yard. I'm out here going to inspect the line, show you the repair. Be right back. Alright, so I got my camera pushed up towards the house, 85 feet. There's a turn right here. I believe it's going to be right near the transition. But I'm unable to push my camera past that turn. There is some roots growing in there. A little bit on the side there. But pull back, show you what this line looks like. A small amount of roots. Small amount there. It looks like about every joint here has a little bit of roots growing in. A little bit of a belly in the line. It does hold a little water right here, but it does drain. There's a belly in the line in here. Back. So yeah, as you see, we're back out of water. The line's got a little bit of a belly to it, but it is draining. Yep, here we are at the riser pipe here where they did the repair. So that's where they booted onto. Alright, we're going to go ahead and run it out towards the main. We'll be right back. Alright, I got my camera out here like 200 feet. Oh, I might be in the main. I didn't see me tying into the main. But I can't push it any further. See, there's a dive there in the line. It's straightening out again. Now here we are straightening out once more. I might be an MST line, but I don't think I am. They got a pretty long yard here. So it might be a pretty good run to do. Another dive in the line. Going downhill. There's roots growing on the side there. The roots there. dive right there, a little offset, small offset. Another dive with a small offset. Just straighten it out here. That might have been replaced at one time. Got a riser pipe there for a second clean out there somewhere. 45 feet, 43 feet. Some little roots offset there, not bad. Here we are to repair here. I don't think it's holds a little water here, but this section of line is kind of flat. Going towards the house. From here going towards the house. Here we are at the riser pipe. So a bunch of there's roots growing in going towards the house. You do have some multiple sections where roots are growing in. They are cut back a bit, but everything going out towards the main, it looks to be open and good. Looks pretty straight. Got out there almost 200 feet, so pretty good condition. That's what you got. Thank you.